dito. So, this is my first time na ito is 3 cups of harina, sugar, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of orange juice, and 1 cup of baking soda. And ito yung white yolks. Itong gagamitin natin. At ito muna ilagay natin ang yellow egg. Mix natin dito ang sugar, juice, and tawag ba dito? Lahat ng liquid ingredients. Mix natin dito. Guys, ito na yung puti. Ni-blend ko yung egg, yung white egg. Ni-blend ko. Ito yung huli.